Welcome to Friar's Tech Show. Today we'll be unboxing the brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra from Samsung. I just received this just a few minutes ago, so we're going to go ahead and get it unboxed and take a look at it. Well, let's see what we can do here. Over there. Put that aside. Get this out of here. We'll get this out of here as well. They really wrap it up, don't they? So I did a pre-order on this on February 19th, and I just was able to get it today, so it took a little while to get here. First time I've ever really done a pre-order before. There we are, and it's going to be in the Phantom White edition. I'm replacing this phone with my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I decided I'd just get this. I like the way the cameras look and stuff on it, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, here we go. All right, there's the phone right there. Just go ahead and grab that guy. There it is right there. Wow, that looks nice. Feels pretty good too. Let's go ahead and set that aside for just a second. See what we got inside the box here. Shouldn't be much more than, there's the box, nothing in there. This will have, I believe, the SIM tool on the back. Inside here will be charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. And then of course, we have some documentation. Well, that's what's inside the box. Not a whole lot there, but there we are. So we'll just set all this stuff aside for now. And we'll take a look at the phone again. There it is. Feels a little heavier than my Note 20. I like the cameras on the back of it. I like how they did that, no camera bump anymore. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and do one of our favorite parts here. Oh yeah, that's great, isn't it? All right, and I believe there's one on the front too somewhere. There it is. And there it is. There's the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And there's the pen, which should probably be black. Yep, there's the S Pen. Looks great. Let's give this a little turn on here. And there we are. So while this is turning on, I'll set it up a little bit later because I got to take care of my other phone first. We'll open up a case that I received to go along with it. So here again is the phone. Very nice. I like the flat back finish versus the glossy black in my other phone, or glossy white, I should say. So we'll let that do its thing over there. And the other unboxing is the Spigen case right here. I really like the way this one looked because it had the cutouts individually for the camera. So we'll take a look at this. These guys always make such great product. So let's take a look. They got a little tab here to pull it out. Let's see what we got in the box here. And this is the gunmetal gray version. Put that over there, and advertisement for a 15-watt charger, I believe. Okay, and that. Yeah. Here's the inside of the case. There's the outside. It's got a good little texture to it right here in the middle. And there's your gunmetal gray part right there. All right, I like that. Phone is still doing its thing here, so let's give it a little try in here. They're pretty good. Oh yeah, I like that. That looks really nice. Really nice case from them. All right, well that is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and then the Spigen Neo Hybrid case. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Give me a thumbs up in the comments below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.